Ricky A.J. Sengkon, who is still our MP till date. Last night, when I received the news, it was not yet confirmed at the time, of course, but Charles Marangara gave me a call. Then throughout the evening, I was restless. Even though I was restless, even though I used to be a very early sleeper, the moment I go to bed, in 5 minutes I fall asleep. But yesterday, till 12 o'clock, midnight, I could not sleep. I took out my mobile, go to YouTube, type Dr. Ricky Sengkon. The first thing that came is his sermon. I don't know the village, but it is district, Jingeseng district of Mauli district. And the topic of his sermon was also